Hey guys, it is September the 7th, 2022, and today I'm going to be assembling my Quictent greenhouse, a 25 by 10 by 7. So this is the Quictent 25 by 10 by 6'6", and let's see what all comes in the box. Alright, we have a cover. Couple of pair of work gloves, and all the tubing to make the high hoop, the high tunnel. Okay, so I have all the parts laid out, ready to be assembled right over there. The little tool bag with instructions, nuts and bolts to put it together. It did come with 2 sets of these Allen wrenches and tools to put it together, but I'm going to opt to go with the drill instead. I am going to be breaking this assembly video up into 2 or 3 different videos. The first one's going to be mainly the assembly of the frame. We're going to be leaving town for a week and a half going to Hawaii, and I'm not sure if my anchoring system will work good enough to keep the cover on it. So the second video should be the anchoring down system of it that I'm going to try out to see if it helps down here on the Alabama Gulf Coast. And then the third one will be the finished product with the cover on it. Thank you for watching. Upright sections that come up from the base. There's a side that's labeled as number 7 and a side that's labeled number 8. The instructions say not to mix match them. All the 7s on one side, all the 8s on the other side. Crossbeam gets wedged in between like that. this is the frame for the Quictent 25x10x6.5. I'm going to use these steel fence posts back here to nail down in the corners right here, at least halfway, or at least to this height right here, and then strap them to the frame of the greenhouse itself. I'm going to try that as an anchor system. I'm going to go ahead and finish weed eating, cleaning out the bottom here, put down the landscape fabric, and then do the tie down.